Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at the Bollinger Secret EA 2 for MT4, and I'll be going through the MQL5 Marketplace page, its main features, the available settings, and then we'll look at some historical testing performance to better understand how this expert advisor operates. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that Bollinger Secret EA2 is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Samir Arman. At the time of this review, the EA is priced at 200 US dollars with a rental option available for 50 US dollars per month. The current version listed is version 2.0, updated on the 25th of November 2023. The developer has also provided instructional videos covering expert settings and how the EA works on the chart, which can be useful for anyone wanting a better understanding of the setup process before running it on their own account. Now, looking through the description, the EA is based on the Bollinger indicator using different settings and different methods of opening trades. According to the developer, this combination is what gives the expert advisor its Bollinger Secret approach. One important detail highlighted here is that the EA is designed specifically for currency pairs that it is designed for currency pairs specifically, and it does not use traditional take profit or stop loss levels. Instead, trade management is handled differently within the EA's logic. So the recommended symbols listed are GBP USD, GBP JPY, GBP AUD, and Euro USD. And the recommended time frame is M13. Although here we can see that the currency pairs listed at this point are just GBP USD, GBP JPY, and GBP AUD. The developer explains that the EA should be attached to all three currency pairs using the same settings without modification. Once running, the EA will focus on one of the currencies and continue working until positions are closed in profit. Another key point mentioned is that profit management is pursued through a trailing stop mechanism built into the expert advisor. This means the EA is designed to manage open positions dynamically rather than relying on fixed profit targets. Moving into the settings section, there are several parameters available for customization. Lot 1 allows manual lot size selection, while auto lot can be enabled for automatic position sizing based on account risk preferences. When auto lot is active, the max risk setting determines how aggressively position sizes are calculated relative to account equity. The developer specifically notes that both take profit and stop loss should be left at 0 because those parameters are not used by the strategy. There is also a loss USD setting, which can be used to close all trades once a predefined dollar loss level is reached. Additional controls include max open for limiting the number of simultaneous trades, max spread for spread filtering, step which controls the distance between consecutive trade entries. There are also time start and time end parameters for defining the EA's operating hours, along with a magic number setting for trade identification. All right. The developer recommends a minimum deposit of $500 and leverage of at least 1:400 with a starting lot size of 0.01. Now, moving over to the historical backtesting results, this is where we can start evaluating how the EA behaved during the testing period. When reviewing any backtest, I always like to remember that historical testing provides useful insight into past behavior, but it does not guarantee future performance. So we are going to head over to the strategy tester right away. Let's see how this EA performed on GBP USD on the M15 time frame as recommended over the past 3 months. So we can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, total net profit was 14.32. All right, and then the total trades taken were 12, out of which all of them were profitable. Largest profit was 3.55, average profit was 1.19. All right, so we are just going to also look at the EA in action right now. I'm just going to turn on the visuals so we can see the EA being displayed. So as I go through the chart history, I'm looking for how trades were managed, how positions were grouped, and how the EA responded during different market conditions. All right. Since the developer states that the EA works with Bollinger indicator logic and uses trailing stop management rather than fixed take profit levels, it is useful to observe how trades were ultimately closed throughout the testing period, right? Now, one thing I always recommend is running longer term testing yourself. Extending the testing period can provide a broader understanding of how the EA performs across different market environments, volatility conditions, and trading cycles. So, looking at the overall historical testing performance, the results should be viewed as historical analysis only. Actual live performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, account size, lot sizing, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. So, as with any expert advisor, it is worth spending time testing the recommended pairs and time frame, experimenting with risk settings, and verifying performance on a demo account before considering any live deployment. Overall, the Bollinger Secret EA2 is an MT4 expert advisor built around Bollinger indicator-based trade logic with trailing stop-driven profit management and a focus on GBP USD, GBP JPY, and GBP AUD on the M15 time frame. So if you are interested in this type of automated approach, make sure to thoroughly test and optimize the EA yourself so you can determine whether it aligns with your own trading objectives and risk tolerance. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.